Today on Sugar Spun Run, I'll be showing you how to make brownie cookies. I love a good brownie recipe. Thick, fudgy, chewy, and chocolatey, and completely from scratch. I even have a few really good brownie recipes on my site already. However, I wanted to bring this great flavor and chewy texture to cookie form. Let's go ahead and begin. The first thing you'll want to do is grab a large microwave-safe bowl and add 1 cup or 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Cut this into tablespoon-sized pieces, and then we'll add 2 ounces of unsweetened chocolate. You'll want to chop this up. Now we will melt this butter and chocolate together in the microwave. You want to take care that you do not heat the mixture too fast or it could cause your chocolate to seize. So just heat everything together for about 25 seconds and then heat again in 15-second increments, stirring really well until the mixture is nice and smooth. Once your chocolate and butter mixture are melted, we're going to add 1/2 cup of natural cocoa powder and 3/4 teaspoon of instant coffee. Now, adding the instant coffee is totally optional, but I like to add it because it really enhances and brings out that chocolate flavor in these brownie cookies. It's not going to make your cookies taste like coffee. Now, stir these together until they're really well combined, but don't add your sugars just yet. If you add your sugar at this point, and if the chocolate and the butter are too hot, what you could do is you could melt your sugar and you could end up with a runny mess on your hands. You don't want that, so just wait about 5 to 10 minutes before adding your sugar. Adding the cocoa powder and the coffee in advance is fine because that's actually going to help bloom your cocoa powder and it's going to help really bring out the chocolate flavors. So right away with the cocoa powder, but wait on the sugar. Once that mixture's had a couple minutes to cool, we'll go ahead and add our sugars. You'll need 1 1/4 cups of tightly packed light brown sugar and 1/2 cup of regular granulated sugar. Stir these together really well, and then add 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. This extra egg yolk is going to help make these brownie cookies extra nice and chewy. Stir these together really well. We'll add 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and then stir everything together again, and we'll set this aside. And now we'll prepare our dry ingredients. We start with 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. We will also add a tablespoon of cornstarch to this batter. Cornstarch is one of my secret ingredients and something I use in just about all of my cookie recipes. It's another key factor that's going to help make these cookies nice and chewy. Then add a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk everything together and then gradually add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients, stirring until everything is well combined. Now, if you would like, at this point you can add chocolate chips to your batter as well. I like to add a 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips into my batter and stir to combine. Cover your bowl with cling wrap and let that chill for 30 minutes. While the dough is chilling, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your oven is preheated and your dough has been chilled, I like to grab a 1 1/2 tablespoon-sized cookie scoop and scoop this dough by heaping spoonful. And then to give them a nice smooth appearance, I just roll the dough between my hands to form a ball. And make sure to space your cookie dough at least 2 inches apart. Alright, now we will bake our cookie dough in our 350 degree Fahrenheit oven for about 10 to 11 minutes. When the cookies are finished baking, they should still be nice and soft, and if you would like, you can gently nestle additional chocolate chips onto the tops of the cookies. Now let these cookies finish cooling completely on their cookie sheet, because until they've cooled, they're going to be too soft to remove from the pan without breaking them. That is how you make brownie cookies. As I said, these are better than actual brownies. Nice and thick and chewy with crackly tops and extra chocolate. I hope you guys will try out these delicious cookies and please let me know what you think. They are so good, so soft, so chewy, and best when served warm. Alright, I'm gonna go eat this now, so I hope you guys will try it out for yourself and please let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.